The Cirrus Airframe Parachute System, or C.A.P.S, is a safety feature implemented on all Cirrus aircraft. It is a parachute designed to deploy during an emergency. It is found on the SR-20, SR-22, and SF-50. The Cirrus parachute system is activated when the pilot pulls this red lever that is located on the overhead panel. This causes the solid propellant rocket motor located at the aft baggage compartment of the aircraft to ignite and dislodges the parachute assembly, allowing the C.A.P.S system to deploy. Although upon landing, the landing gear is designed to collapse in order to allow for energy absorption. As of 18th December 2018, C.A.P.S has been activated 98 times, 83 of which saw successful parachute deployment. In those successful deployments, there were 170 survivors and 1 fatality. The Cirrus Airframe Parachute System is one of the greatest innovations in general aviation technology and is the standard safety system on all Cirrus aircraft.